Hello, good morning. How are you all? Today again I welcome you all to our English speaking class. By this time you might be able to speak in English. Today I am going to teach you how to think in English. Why it is needed to think in English? If you don't understand to think in English, what happens? You will think in your mother tongue and then you will translate it and then you will speak in English. That is why if you start speaking in English, it becomes much easier to speak. And thinking in English not at all difficult. Only you have to follow a few steps. First of all, create an English atmosphere around you. Means speak with your friends or your partner or whoever is there with you in English. Read English books. Listen to English. In this way, create an English atmosphere around you. And more important, when you are alone, sit quietly and in your own mind ask questions in English and you yourself answer in English. Continue this process. Sit quietly whenever you are having time and ask yourself a question in English and answer in English. You might be practicing jam, that is just a minute. You might be speaking that as well. So, today I will teach you how to think in English. Now I will ask you a few questions. When I ask the question, you answer back in English, not by translative method, by thinking in English. If you need little bit more time, you can pause the video and answer and then you can go ahead. So the first question is, tell me something about you. Come on, tell me something about you. See, the question is simple. It is about you, personal. You are knowing about yourself. Or it is just like self-introduction. I think you are able to tell me something about you. Now tell me how you spent yesterday. How you spent yesterday. Just think what all the things happened yesterday. Everything comes in front of your inward eye. Start explaining the same in English. See, very easy it is. It is not at all difficult. All the things, whatever happened, you can start right from the morning. I got up at such and such a time, then I went somewhere, whatever it is. But explain the same in English. Can you? Many of you can, I think. Next is, explain the movie which you have watched recently. You might have watched any movie recently. Tell me about the movie which you have watched recently. See, when you are talking, I am asking you such easy questions because when you tell me, just the movie may come in front of your eyes or inward eye and you can go on explaining what you have seen in that movie. You can also add whether you liked it, if you have liked it, why you have liked it. If not, why you haven't liked it. Next, explain the place which you have visited recently. Explain the place. Tell me something about the place which you have visited recently. You might have gone to Goa, you might have gone to Konkan, you might have gone to Northeast, wherever you have gone. Recently, the place which you have visited. You might have visited Kerala, beautiful place. Explain or tell me something about that place. I think you can. Next, what is your future plan? What do you think about your future? Whatever your future plans are, you can explain the same. So these are the few methods which I have taught you to think in English. And don't find it is difficult. Once you are able to speak in English, there is no need of translating anything, and your vocabulary also increases. When your vocabulary increases, it is easy to speak in English. And even in the beginning, I am telling you, even if you don't get one or two words, doesn't matter, use the words in your mother tongue, but keep on speaking in English. And again I am telling you, the biggest disease what we are having is what others will tell. Don't bother about others. You be bothered about yourself. You have decided to learn English. You are going to learn it and you are going to prove it. So don't bother about others. Let them tell anything, or you say, let them go to hell. I will look after my work. And when you are alone, again use the same. Or at night, you are telling the gratitude. Tell it in English. When you write your diary, write it in English. Wherever you get the opportunity, you have to create the atmosphere. Creating the atmosphere is not at all difficult. It is in our own hands. Even you can read the English newspaper, you can read English storybooks, and if you are not following anything, what you do? Read the same in your mother tongue as well. In the beginning it may happen. Don't be under the impression that immediately, within a moment, within 2 minutes I will be able to speak. No, it may take some time. But if you decide, you can do it. So again and again I am telling you, create the atmosphere, listen to English, read English, speak English, think in English. One new item which I have given you today, think in English. Because by the time now, you should stop thinking in your mother tongue. You can directly think in English. If you need a book, you can say, I want a book. No need to think in Marathi and then translate it. Suppose your son is going out, you can ask him, where are you going? No need to think in Marathi or your mother tongue and then translate it. So use all the available methods on this earth. Let it be jam, just a minute talking. Let it be reading, let it be listening, whatever it is. Whatever helps you to improve your English, do it. That is why on every Wednesday at 8 o'clock, I am providing you a video in English. I am using simple topics of your knowledge so that you can follow it easily. As the days go on, I may even increase the level. But at present, it is the primary level. So I am using all the simple vocabulary so that you can understand it and you can follow it easily. Okay, let me know about your progress in the comment box. Have a good day.